Hi, I'm Michelle Phillips from Codefetti, and today you're going to learn how to add related posts to Astra. It's easy to do with the Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg plugin and the Post Grid block. So let's get started and see how it's done. Make sure you've installed Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg. Once that plugin is installed, you can add a new page or post, and from here we'll create our related posts block. To do so, I'm going to click the plus sign, and then I'm going to search for the UAG, Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg, Post Grid block. And you'll note how it defaults to 6 posts, 3 posts per row, and 2 rows. You can specify how many posts you want by just toggling this post per page. I typically leave it at 6. Now, the next thing is I want to filter out only my Astra posts for this particular related post block. So I'm going to click on the categories drop down. I'm going to choose Astra, and you'll see now that it's filtering out just those posts that have the category of Astra. I typically order by date descending so that my newest post shows first. You can choose this option to inherit styling from the theme, or you can customize this block to look exactly how you want. So for this demo, let's go ahead and customize this. You have an option as to whether or not you want to show a featured image, what size you want that image to be, and where you want the position. And so I'm going to keep mine on top. Next, I really don't want the metadata to show. I'll keep the title, but I'm going to hide everything else except for the excerpt. And the excerpt I'm going to limit to 25 words. The read more link, you can turn it off if you don't want it. You can change the button text as well as its typography, what font size you want, and so forth. For colors, I'm going to keep the default blog background color here of this light gray, but I want the title color to be my brand color, so I'll click that. And the only other thing I might want to do is change the color of the Learn More button. I'll choose for that a blue background with white text. And there you go. I've actually created a little block here that has my related posts. I want to add this to reusable blocks, and I'm going to publish it. And now it'll be available to me in any post that I want. The last thing I want to show you is how you can use that reusable block. All you need to do is click on the plus button, and I want to look through my reusable blocks, so I will say Browse All. Click the Reusable tab, and here's my related post block. So you can keep it as is, or if you want to make any changes that will be unique to this specific post, you can convert the block to a regular block and then make any changes that you want, and it'll only appear on this particular post. Perhaps for this one I don't want the excerpt, so all I need to do is turn off that excerpt button and then click Publish, and that block has been converted for this specific page or post. I hope this demo has been helpful to you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.